What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, the markets have been struggling on the day, and we are going to get into that at the end of today's video, so make sure you stick around. But what I want to talk about first is the Robinhood listing. Now, there have been a lot of rumors as to when Robinhood is going to be listing Shiba Inu, but now we have some clarity, some things that need to happen prior to that listing, and that's exactly what we are going to be talking about in today's video. On top of that, a lot of people are saying that the Robinhood listing is already priced into Shiba Inu. I don't believe so, and I'm going to give my thoughts on that matter as well. If you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Like I said, we will be discussing the price action at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. But first, I wanted to get into this article and what exactly needs to happen prior to us seeing Shiba Inu listed on Robinhood. This is a slightly older article. CFO, Robinhood will wait on regulators before adding Shiba Inu crypto as well as other cryptocurrencies. Robinhood Chief Financial Officer Jason Warnick said he was aware of the demand for more cryptocurrencies to be added on the platform, but added that the company just wants to wait out and see exactly what kind of clarity comes from a regulatory perspective before them listing Shiba Inu on Robinhood. Speaking at the Wall Street Journal's virtual CFO Network Summit last week, Warnick said that the company wants more clarity on the matter. His words come in response to supporters of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency petitioning for the brokerage company to list Shib, which has garnered over 550,000 signatures. Warnick said, "We're a highly regulated company in a highly regulated industry, and we think it's important that we get a bit more clarity from regulators," is what he said. Essentially, what we see going on here, and this is what we've been talking about for a long time, and Shytoshi actually hinted at this a few months ago when everybody was talking about the Robinhood listing. Things have calmed down a little bit since then. But what Shytoshi said is that all the T's need to be crossed and all the I's need to be dotted before Robinhood could list Shiba Inu. The same thing was the case for Kraken. And that's why everybody got so excited on that Kraken listing, because we know from a regulatory standpoint, Kraken is just as strict as Robinhood, which is why we thought the Robinhood listing was going to come very quickly after the Kraken listing. But now that we've gotten that out of the way, I think regulation and clarity is going to come very soon. But Robinhood is extremely careful. They want to protect the people that are using their platform first and foremost. When we talk about safety and security, at this point, I don't think that's the issue when it comes to Shiba Inu. For them, they want to see exactly what kind of regulations happen from the government standpoint, from the Fed standpoint, before really starting to list more cryptocurrencies, not just Shiba Inu. They want to see it from a broad perspective. I think Shiba Inu is first on their docket of cryptocurrencies to list. Once we get that clarity, they will be listing it. The next order of business that we have to discuss is the price action and why I think the Robinhood listing is going to be marvelous for Shiba Inu, and I don't think it's priced in at all, even before we had this huge dip in cryptocurrency. Before we get into that, folks, a huge shout out to Webull. If you guys don't know, I am a Webull affiliate, and Webull is actually putting on a special promotion for you all. Instead of 2 free stocks, you are now going to get 3 free stocks, folks. When you use my link in the description below and also pinned up at the top of the comments, all you have to do is open up a brokerage account using my link in the description. Open up a brokerage account, deposit just 1 cent, folks. 1 penny is all they are asking for. You are going to get 3 free stocks guaranteed. You get a free stock when you open an account, and then you get 2 more free stocks when you deposit that 1 cent initial deposit of any amount, folks. Go ahead and take advantage of this promotion, as it is not going to last forever. Like I said, that affiliate link is going to be in the description below and also pinned up at the top of the comments. As for the price action, very briefly here, I wanted to talk about this Motley Fool article. Should you follow the old Wall Street advice for stocks and buy the rumor with Shiba Inu? Before doing so, keep in mind that the Robinhood rumors could already be largely baked into the cryptocurrency's price. And that's exactly what I want to talk about. I think what's going to happen is, yes, we are going to get a little bit of a bump in price in the short term when Robinhood lists Shiba Inu. But that's not what we're interested in. That's not what I'm interested in. What I'm interested in is long-term sustainable price action. We want to see green days, green weeks, green months, and green years. More specifically, green years, folks. That's the type of timeline that we're talking about when it comes to SHIB. What the Robinhood listing is going to do for us is get our name out there. People are going to get interested in what it means to be an investor of Shiba Inu. When you invest in Dogecoin, you invest in that coin for a particular reason. When you invest in SHIB, people are going to learn and want to know about the community, the ecosystem, and everything that is involved with the development team and what the direction of this token is going to be. So it increases our exposure, allows people to educate themselves on what it means to be in Shiba Inu. And that's going to lead to long-term price action because they are going to recognize that this is the real deal. This is not a meme token anymore. This token and this development team, the people, the ecosystem, everybody, the community, they're in it because there is so much interest that's going on when it comes to SHIB. And the price action is going to reflect that in the long term, in my opinion. So yeah, maybe a little bit of the price action was already baked in when it came to the Robinhood listing. Maybe that's exactly what we saw when those rumors were starting to spread and Shiba Inu took off a little bit a couple of weeks ago. But that being said, that's not what we're looking for. What we're looking for is that long-term perspective. And I think that's what we are going to get once those retail investors decide that Shiba Inu is much more than a meme token. It's much more than just Doge. No hate on Doge though. I'm a big fan of that community as well. Let's shift gears ever so slightly and talk about the price action on the day. Guys, it is an absolute bloodbath out here. Everything is struggling. It's not just SHIB. If we hop on over here, everything is down tremendously. And this is not what we expected. This is not what I expected going into January, heading into February now. This is most certainly that's not what I expected, but this is the situation that we have on our hands right now. And it's largely due to what's going on over at the Fed right now with the inflation and the interest rates. Crypto is struggling, but not just crypto. The tech-heavy NASDAQ struggling, SPY struggling, stocks struggling. Everything is struggling as people are taking their money out of the risky stock market and putting them into assets that are a little bit less risky. And that is what we have going on right in front of our face. And anybody that says it's just cryptocurrencies that are struggling is just blatantly lying. And that is why I am not worried at all, because we've seen this happen in the past where tech stocks, crypto, things tend to struggle. We saw it early on in 2020, and we're seeing it again today. If it was just cryptocurrency that was struggling, then we would have something to talk about. The conversation would be a little bit more interesting, but everything is struggling right now. So it is going to require some patience on our end. People are saying that these things might settle down a little bit, might calm down a little bit by March, even as late as April. Now, I'm hoping we get some clarity very soon. Jerome Powell, the head of the Fed, is actually supposed to be releasing a statement specifically on cryptocurrencies very soon. And I think that could usher a very big bull market independent of what we are seeing in the stock market, inflation rates, and interest rates. But of course, it all depends on what the Fed ends up doing. They dial it back a little bit. That with Jerome Powell coming out and giving a bullish statement on crypto, that could usher in a huge bull run here in 2022. So as of right now, everybody is just holding their breath, myself included. We are just waiting to hear and get some clarity as to what the market is going to do based off of what the Fed is going to do. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please keep in mind, folks, I am by no means a financial advisor. I am just here to put you guys on plays that I am in, but please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. It really helps out the channel quite a bit. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis, folks. I am out the scene. Peace out.